Module Overview. This module will immerse artists in the technical and creative strategies behind search engine optimization, SEO, and website visibility. You'll learn how to make your website discoverable by search engines like Google, attract organic traffic, convert visitors into subscribers or clients, and leverage tools like Google Search Console, keyword planners, image optimization, and backlink building. For many artists, visibility is the missing piece even with beautiful work and a functioning site. Without proper SEO, your website can remain hidden in the vast digital ocean. This module demystifies the art and science of making your website visible, findable, and ranked on search engines, helping artists to reach a wider audience without paid ads. Section 1. Introduction to SEO, Search Engine Optimization. SEO is the practice of optimizing your website content and structure to rank higher on search engines. Why SEO is important for artists. 70% of art buyers begin with a search engine. Organic search is free and sustainable, increases visibility, authority, and inbound traffic, helps build long-term brand presence. Section 2. Understanding how search engines work. Search engines use bots, crawlers, to scan websites, index their content, and rank pages based on relevance, authority, user experience, freshness. Your artist website must be easily crawlable, structured with semantic tags, and loaded with valuable content. Section 3. On-page SEO for artist websites. This involves optimizing the elements within your own website. Key tactics. Keyword research. Use tools like Ubersuggest, Ahrefs, or Google Keyword Planner to find relevant terms, e.g., custom pet portraits Nigeria, abstract wall art prints. Meta titles and descriptions. These appear on search engine results. Must be compelling and keyword-rich. Header tags, H1, H6. Organize content with structured headings. Use H1 for page title, H2, H3 for subtopics. URL structure. Should be short, readable, and keyword optimized, e.g., original watercolor art, image, alt text. Helps search engines understand visuals and supports accessibility, e.g., Alt-Ka-Ido Traditional Wedding Painting by artist Ovi. Section 4. Technical SEO. This refers to website infrastructure optimization to improve crawlability and performance. Essentials. Fast loading speed, under 3 seconds. Use tools like GTmetrix or Page Speed Insights. Mobile responsiveness. Ensure mobile users have a seamless experience. SSL certificate secures your domain, shows HTTPS, and improves ranking XML sitemap. A roadmap for search engine bots. Robots.ext file tells bots what to crawl or ignore. Canonical tags. Avoid duplicate content issues. Section 5. Image SEO for visual artists. Art websites are image-heavy, and image SEO is critical. Tips. Compress images with tiny PNG or short pixel use. Descriptive file names. Bronze Edo mask artwork, JPG. Always include alt text and image captions where needed. Avoid uploading images above 200, 300 kb unless necessary. Bonus tip. Use lazy loading to improve performance by loading images as users scroll. Section 6. Off-page SEO and link building. This is about what others say about your website. Tactics. Backlink building. Get links from other art blogs, galleries, media platforms, podcasts, or directories. Guest blogging. Write posts for art-related websites and link back to your own. Social shares. Google recognizes when your site gets traffic from platforms like Instagram or Pinterest. Business listings. List your website on platforms like Google Business, Behance, or ArtStation. Quality quantity. A link from an art-focused blog is more powerful than 10 random links. Section 7. Content strategy for SEO. Search engines love content. Develop an SEO-driven blog or article series. Art process blogs. How I Painted the Benin Royalty series. Behind-the-scenes posts. Studio vlogs. Art education tips. Product care instructions. Use internal linking. Connect blog posts to your store or contact page. Frequency matters. Post fresh content at least monthly. Section 8. Analytics and SEO tools for artists. Must-use tools. Google Search Console. Monitors indexing, crawl errors, and keyword performance. Google Analytics. Tracks traffic, bounce rate, user behavior. Yoast SEO, WordPress plugin. Real-time SEO scoring and suggestions. Ahrefs, SEMrush, for in-depth competitive analysis. Track, keyword ranking improvements. Most visited pages. Mobile versus desktop traffic acquisition sources. Social, search, direct. Section 9. Local SEO for artists, especially in Africa and emerging markets. If you want to sell or exhibit art locally, optimize for local search. Tips. Include city, state in your keywords, e.g., portrait painter in Benin City. Add Google Maps, embed on your contact page. Create a Google business profile. Collect local reviews, testimonials. Join local artist directories or organizations. Section 10. SEO best practices and common mistakes. Best practices. Use long-tail keywords, e.g., how to buy affordable African digital prints. Keep pages updated. Use original content, no copy-paste. Improve UX, clean layout, legible fonts, call-to-action buttons. Mistakes to avoid: keyword stuffing, slow loading pages, dead links or 404 errors, no alt text for images, ignoring analytics. Summary of Module 8. SEO is a powerful long-term strategy that transforms your artist website from a digital brochure into a discoverable platform. With on-page tactics, technical setup, content creation, and backlinking, this module prepares artists to rank higher, attract consistent traffic, and gain global attention organically.